Hello guys, if you want to delete shortcut in Snapchat, this video is for you. So please watch the full video and also give a like. So let's get started. First of all, when you open Snapchat, then capture a photo or record a video. Let's suppose I captured this photo. After capturing the photo, tap on next option. Once you tap on next, then you will see your shortcut here. So simply tap on the shortcut, and here you will see the shortcut and all the members of the shortcut here. After that, tap on this shortcut option, and here you will see I have created this shortcut. So simply tap on this, and after that tap on three dots here, and here you will see delete shortcut option. So tap on this and then delete again. Now shortcut has been deleted.